In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details to your invoices in Xero. If you're a business owner or someone handling the finances, making sure your clients can easily see your payment information on invoices is crucial. It streamlines the payment process and ensures everything is clear from the get-go. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to add your bank details to your invoices effortlessly. First, you will want to navigate to the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Sales. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will reveal itself. From this menu, choose Sales Settings. This option is your gateway to customizing various sales-related parameters, including invoices. Once you've clicked on Sales Settings, the next screen you'll encounter is called Invoice Settings. This section is designed to manage everything related to your invoice layouts and preferences. It's where your existing invoice templates are stored, so you'll be able to view and select the one you're currently working with or any others you've previously created. In the list of your invoice templates, locate the Options button beside your chosen template. Clicking Options will give you a submenu with more actions, from which you should select Edit. This section is where you can specifically tailor your invoices to reflect your business's details and ensure they contain all necessary information. As you scroll through the editing options, direct your attention to the bottom right corner. Here, you'll find a text area labeled Terms and Payment Advice. It's within this space that you'll input your bank details. This part is highly important, as it enables your clients to know exactly how they can transfer funds directly to your bank account. Make sure you enter your bank account number and sort code, or any other requisite information that facilitates smooth transactions. Once you've carefully inputted all your bank details, you'll want to click Save to ensure your entries are properly stored. This simple action is what syncs the details with your invoice templates. By saving your changes, you'll ensure that any new invoices and statements created within Xero will automatically display your bank information. This makes it so much easier for your clients to know how to pay you, which helps in keeping the cash flow seamless for your business. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you have successfully added your bank details to your invoices in Xero. Now, you can rest easy knowing that every invoice you issue clearly guides your clients on how to make payments, making your financial transactions smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your invoices with ease.